how the centrifuge training is done and how it is preparing India also to move towards Gaganyaan if we do have astronauts training here?
When a rocket gets launched or when there is a re-entry, that time, if you've noticed, especially when the Axiom 4 went, the seats are all tilted. The seats for the astronauts get tilted so that they are facing this axis. So instead of the G acting from the head to foot, it acts from front to back. And in the front to back, the tolerances are much higher because your brain doesn't get affected. So you get a feeling of compression on the chest, but the ability for the cardiovascular system to tolerate these high Gs is much better. And also we can, the accelerations in a rocket are for a much longer duration, but the magnitude of the accelerations is much lesser than in a rapidly turning fighter aircraft. For the astronauts and Gaganauts, we are able to train them in our centrifuge where we can tilt the whole seat gondola complex so that the Gs are replicating what happens in actual space flight. So that is why we are able to use the centrifuge both for training the fighter pilots as well as training the astronauts.